What's new with you, bro?
That's rapper Lil Yachty, still reeling from the vicious attack where internet trolls said something so horrible we don't even know how to sum it up.
You're fat, 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 you're fat.
Oh yeah, that sums it up pretty well, actually.
We got Lil Yachty at LAX, and we talked about some controversy he had on his Instagram account.
I took a picture, a promotional picture for Uniqlo, and I had like this big shirt on. People were trying to call me fat.
One guy said instead of Lil Yachty, he's Lil Battleship.
Unkind. Thankfully, Yachty completely ignored all the cruel, ignorant comments. Right after he posted some shirtless pics to prove he's actually flab-free.
I was kind of uncomfortable, but I just wanted to show people like I wasn't like fat.
Well, put your insecurity in dry dock, Yachty, because these pics prove your hull is sleek. Okay, we're gonna stop with the boat metaphors now. Point is, Yachty's got nothing to worry about because he looks great and his diet is solid.
I eat pizza every day.
If there's a healthier diet than that, we haven't heard it. So, good luck, Lil Yachty, and way to rise above those criticisms. In fact, we can't even remember what they were.
You're fat, you're fat, you're fat, you're fat, you're fat.
Oh, yeah, we remember now. Thanks, Lil Yachty.
Well, great to see you, my man.
Likewise.